Good afternoon. In this moment, I'm Gede, Juliana Putra and Nengah Widya Utami. We present strategic innovation and entrepreneurial ecosystem in digital era. This report presents a deep analysis of the central roles played by innovation, technology, and entrepreneurship in digital era. Overview of this report, the future of entrepreneurship and innovation in Malaysia hang on the strength of the ecosystem that's inclusive, integrated, and adaptive. With the right strategic approach, Malaysia holds significant potential to emerge as the leading digital entrepreneurship hub in Southeast Asia. A finding in this report that innovation serves as the primary driver of digital transformation. Technology as the foundation enabler of this innovation, meanwhile entrepreneurship function as a catalyst that transport technological and innovative potential into tangible business opportunity. Importance of strategic innovation in this report, innovation technology and entrepreneurship are key driver of Malaysian digital transformation, turning idea into the tangible opportunity that support my digital and DKN 2030. So integrated strategy, service diversification, ecosystem development, and cross-sector collaboration, Malaysia can boost global competitiveness and while ensuring inclusive and sustainable growth. Innovation can be classified into four main types: product, process, organizational, and marketing innovation. It's contributing to enhancing value, efficiency, and competitiveness. Product innovation focus on creating to improving goods and service, while process innovation emphasizes new method or significant improvement in production and service delivery. Organizational innovation involves change in structure, culture, and governance. And marketing innovation develop a new strategies to better reach and engage market. Complementing this topology and uh, the strategic insight capabilities SIC and compound innovation model provide an integrated framework that aligns strategic direction, market insight, and organizational capacities, while underscoring the cumulative value of interconnected incremental innovation to foster visionary, adaptable, and sustainable outcome. Malaysian entrepreneurship ecosystem is shaped by multi-stakeholder collaboration involving government, private sector, academia, and civil society, with agencies such as MEDIC, SME Corps, MDAC, providing strategic direction and digital support. The National Entrepreneurship Policy 2030, DKN 2030, aligned with SME Master Plan and My Digital Blueprint, establish an integrated framework to promote inclusivity and innovation. Although challenges persist in rural funding access, bureaucratic complexity, and limited mentorship. Despite these barriers, the emergence of global startups like Grab and Animon Star Studio demonstrate the ecosystem potential, while targeted measures for B40 women, youth, and rural entrepreneurs remain essential to ensure equitable participation and sustainable growth.
Hello everyone, my name is Nengah Utami. Today I'll share a case study about Touch and Go TNG Digital, one of Malaysia's most successful fintech companies. It's very interesting because the company started with something very simple, a toll payment card, and transformed into a leading e-wallet and digital financial service provider. TNG began in 1997 with toll payment, then grew into transit and retail payment. In 2017, it launched its e-wallet, followed by RFID tolling and QR payment in 2019. Between 2021 and 2023, TNG added new services like micro investment, micro insurance, and prepaid cards. By 2025, it became a unicorn company worth over 1 billion US dollars with more than 23 million users. TNG success comes from five key strategies: the basis product innovation, technology adoption, building an ecosystem, promoting inclusion and accessibility, and making strategic partnership. This helped TNG grow into a super app that offers not just payment, but also insurance, investment, and more. Of course, TNG also faced challenge. Inside the company, there were problems with profitability and limits in global expansion. Outside, it faced strong competition, government regulation, and the digital divide in rural areas. But with its first mover advantage, large user base, diverse product, and strong partnership, TNG managed to overcome this and support Malaysia digital economic goals. This slide shows our recommendation and conclusion. On the left, we give our suggestion. First, in policy, we suggest making ruler simpler, and more stable so startup and small business don't feel uncertain. The second, in education, we recommend more entrepreneurship program in schools and university to build creative and problem-solving skill early. The third, in funding, we suggest giving more access to small loans, venture capital, and government grants, since many small business struggle to find money. And four, in ecosystem collaboration, we encourage stronger teamwork between government, universities, industries, and NGOs to share knowledge and speed up innovation. On the right, the conclusion explained that innovation, technology, and entrepreneurship work together to grow Malaysia's digital economy. The success of Touch and Go Digital so how this can happen. However, challenges remain such as complex rule, digital gaps, and not enough skill mentor. That's why programs for women, youth, rural areas, and low-income groups are important. Finally, in the future work section, we say that Malaysia can become a top digital entrepreneurship hub in Southeast Asia. To do this, the country needs clear policies, better digital education, easier access to funding, and stronger collaboration. By focusing on inclusion and innovation, Malaysia can grow more startups, compete globally, and build a skilled digital society for everyone. Okay, that's all from our group. Thank you for your kind attention.